Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Software Update at the top and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Then go to Auto Update, and here make sure first of all that you've got the auto download set to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that this option is marked. I do not recommend tapping on Wi-Fi or mobile data because thanks to using only Wi-Fi you can avoid some additional charges. And here I highly recommend to also tap on the switcher here to auto update overnight, because your device will not only download the updates, but also it will automatically install them between 2 and 5 a.m. So usually the time when we are sleeping and we are not using the device, and then it will be restarted when it is not in use. So I highly recommend to simply use both of those options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.